Guys, today we're going to be doing the unboxing of the Sabrent USB 3.1 Gen 2 enclosure for NVMe, PCIe, M key, M.2 SSDs. This is the stuff over here. So it's a nice enclosure. Uses USB 3.1 Gen 2. That's what I wanted. In the box you get some accessories like a screwdriver, a nice cable with a USB-C on one end, a USB-A on the other end. Also you have the USB-C to USB-C kind of a coupler, screwdriver, couple of screws, manual, spread the love thing, and of course the caddy itself. Guys, so basically this is the enclosure. It's a nice, small, neat little package. When you open it up, there's a place for the M key, NVMe SSD. Unfortunately, mine is somehow dented. I don't know if you can see this over here, but mine is dented out of the box. I don't know what happened there. Hopefully this won't affect the placement of the drive. So basically, you know how to do it. You've got some manuals, you've got some instruction how to place your SSD inside this caddy. After you do it, you just peel this off. It's like a thermal pad, so you cover it up like so. Guys, so right now we're going to be unboxing the Intel 660p SSD. Yeah, I know what you're going to say. It's not the fastest one on the market, but for my needs, I think it will do the job. It comes in a nice package, some solid state drive information from Intel over there. Yeah, and here we have the drive. Small little drive. It's gonna perfectly fit our enclosure, and yeah. Okay, so let's open this up. Be gentle with it. I'm gonna have one screw ready to put this in. Get the drive out, get the caddy. Yeah, sorry about that. Use a 45-degree angle to just slide this in like so. Put it flat. Yeah, this is normal behavior. Let's just bolt this into place like so, and you're basically done. What you do right now is just peel this off. Peel this off. Do like so. Get some more screws and just do what you normally do. Okay, now after you're done, you can peel this foil off. I'm not going to do it right now. Maybe I'm going to do it later on, but right now it's ready to be mounted to the system. Okay, so when you connect the drive to the computer, an LED lights up. So that's indicating we have power. I'm using USB 3.1 Gen 1, so we're not going to reach the Gen 2 speeds on this particular system. It's the Dell Precision M6700 that I am using. So it's got USB 3, aka 3.1 Gen 1, but the enclosure is 3.1 Gen 2, so it's 10 gigabits per second. This computer has the ability to go 5 gigabits per second maximum on the USB 3 port. So decgmg.msc. Yeah, press enter and it opens up, and there's an information up front what kind of partition you want to make with this new drive. I'm gonna do the NBR. We will find our drive, and the drive is unallocated. It's the 2 terabyte drive, an Intel 660p SSD, 2 terabyte size. It's quite popular at this time. New simple volume, click next, just max it out if you want one big partition. Yeah, click OK, assign, NTFS, default new volume, perform quick format. I don't know. Yeah. And you're done. You have a 2 terabyte SSD here. It's 186 terabyte. Okay, so even though you buy a 2 terabyte capacity, you're getting 186. So yeah. First of all, I'm gonna copy a folder of the Porsche Panamera. It's a folder filled with some files. It's like 20.4 gigabyte and total capacity is 75 files in 4 folders. It's, you know, more or less video files, some text files, some audio files, so bigger files, smaller files. I reckon there are many, like a couple of hundred megabyte files inside. Let's see. Yeah, this one is 150, this one's 87, this one's 350, this one is 97, this one's 75, 136, 1.48 gigabytes, 38 meg, 11 meg, 81 meg, 246 meg. So there's a bunch of small and large video files in this folder. I'm gonna copy this folder from a hard drive, an HDD, an old style platter hard drive, copy to my system SSD. This is a SATA SSD inside the computer. So as you can see, we're topping up at 7980 megs. That is what we should expect from a old style platter HDD. We're maxing it out right now. Let me show you the task manager. So we're gonna see in some more detail the performance of this, of what's going on. Yeah, disk D, which is the HDD, is maxing out 99, 100%. So we are reaching the limits of this particular drive, and the SSD, SATA SSD that is installed in the system as a system drive is just like 27-28% maxed out. Not all the time though. Okay guys, we're done. We just finished the copying of the files, and now I'm just gonna copy the Panamera folder from my system drive, copy, and now let's just paste it into the Sabrent enclosure with the Intel in it. Click. 280, 290. Okay. Yeah, that's faster than the 100 megabytes per second when it comes to the hard drive. As we can see over here, the system drive is like 60%, 80% or 100% now right now. Okay, we're still at 290 megabytes per second, almost 300 megabytes per second. Remember, this is USB 3.1 Gen 1, so we're topping around 5 gigabits per second. This is our maximum throughput. this drive, the new drive is like 71% max of capacity. There's a constant 20 gigabyte folder, and we have a constant of around 280 290 megabytes per second. I'm satisfied with that. Sure, it's not the fastest, it's not the bestest, but when I upgrade to USB 3.1 Gen 2, when I upgrade my computer, we will see definitely some better results. So thank you guys very much for watching, and hopefully we're gonna see each other in the next one. Cheers.